Hi, my name is Doug Summerlin, and this is my ENME489Y Smart Doorbell Raspberry Pi project, and I hope you enjoy. So this is my setup, and this is my front door. So we have the Pi taped to this box here, which is sitting on a book, and the Pi is plugged into a power source over there, and it's got this view of my front porch and walkway. So I just want to take the time to talk about some of the code. So this is the first program we used. And I mean two programs. This one's called Smart Doorbell Masking 1, just to find the shape of the mask. So we obviously created a mask, used the select ROI function to find the different points, create an array of those points, used the bitwise and the fill convex poly to fill in everything that's not inside that polygon. And then we grade, blurred, and resize the image so we didn't have to use as much processing power to compare the image to the other image. So from the first lecture, we're going to recognize the image that the Raspberry Pi sees of my front door and porch, and also take the mask of that image. So this is the masked area that will notify me if somebody has entered the area outside my front door, and this is the image that the Raspberry Pi is able to see originally. So I define the array to pretty much cut out this space here. So this is the second and main program. Here we start by importing all the libraries. This bit of code is left over from the first lecture, returns masked in gray. Here we start the counter and take the images and compare the two with the pixel threshold. And we use detector total to determine if that will start recording or not. I adjusted the detector total to 20,000 because 30,000 was too high for me. Here we have the uploading of the video to the cloud. Here we have the emailing to the user with the images. There's my spam email there. And then here at the end, we have the text message notification to the user as well. So at this point, I'm doing a run through of my smart doorbell program. It's located right there in that window, and it will start to recognize me as I walk up this pathway. And then we'll check and see if the code's working as well. So right about now, I've entered the field of view and we have a detection. Code's doing its thing, taking a video of me right now. As I'm taking a video of that, just sent the email and converted it to, no, it just sent the, converted it to an MP4. Now we're uploading the MP4 file to the cloud. So this is the first Dropbox video I'd like to share. This is from the video I just showed. This is me recording my laptop, which is running the program as I have been detected by the Raspberry Pi Smart Doorbell system. So here I'm going to describe the email functionality. So this is my spam email account, and as you can see in the sent folder, this is all of the Smart Doorbell recordings that I've sent tonight. And that has been sent to my business email, dsum1001@gmail.com. And you can see all of the different emails that I've been sending myself. And this is from, oh, wrong file. This is from tonight, where I had the two successive images, the grayed, blurred, resized images, and the masked image that shows the detection of myself. So to show the ability of the text messaging system on the Smart Doorbell, I wanted to first just outline the code in my Twilio account. Here's my trial balance, the account SID, and the authentication token and the trial number, and these things match in my code. And then this is my personal phone number here. So here I'm actually using my little brother's phone to videotape my phone screen, and here we see that the Twilio app has been sending me a text message which is consistent with my code for every successful trial run of the Smart Doorbell system with the Raspberry Pi, and this is my phone because this is Kofi and Ben, and my mom's calling me Doug.